In a remarkable recognition of her contributions to neuroscience, Dr. Huda Akil has been awarded the prestigious 2025 Vanderbilt Prize in Biomedical Science. An internationally acclaimed neuroscientist, Dr. Akil's research has significantly advanced our understanding of the biological underpinnings of mental health disorders, including anxiety, depression, pain, and addiction. This accolade reflects not only her scientific achievements but also her dedication to mentoring the next generation of neuroscientists. Dr. Akil serves as the Gardner C. Quarton Distinguished University Professor of Neurosciences in the Department of Psychiatry at the University of Michigan Medical School and is a senior research professor at the Michigan Neuroscience Institute in Ann Arbor. This esteemed recognition comes on the heels of her receipt of the National Medal of Science from President Joe Biden in 2023. Underscoring her impact on the field, Dr. Akil's groundbreaking research has deepened our understanding of the mechanisms of human emotion and contributed to our understanding of the biologic roots of human behavior, stated Dr. Jeff Balser, President and CEO of Vanderbilt University Medical Center. He emphasized that Akil's work is particularly significant in light of the current behavioral health crisis in the United States. Her contributions are particularly impactful, he added. The Vanderbilt Prize, established in 2006, honors scientists of national repute who not only excel in their research but also demonstrate a commitment to mentoring. Previous recipients of this award have gone on to win Nobel Prizes, further highlighting the caliber of work recognized through this honor. Dr. Jennifer Pyatenpool, Chief Scientific and Strategy Officer at Vanderbilt, noted Dr. Huda Akil's research has profoundly advanced our understanding of the brain biology underlying emotions, pain, depression, anxiety, and addiction. As part of her recognition, Dr. Akil will receive an honorarium, deliver a special seminar, and mentor a Vanderbilt Prize scholar, a graduate student in biomedical sciences. Akil expressed her gratitude, stating, "I am deeply honored to receive the Vanderbilt Prize and to be in the company of the remarkable scientists who have received it before me." She emphasized the importance of mentorship, reflecting on the mutual learning experience she has had while guiding young scientists. Born in Syria, Dr. Akil's academic journey began at the American University of Beirut, where she earned her bachelor's and master's degrees in psychology and psycholinguistics. She completed her PhD in biological psychology at UCLA, where she made groundbreaking discoveries regarding the role of endorphins in pain relief. Throughout her career, she has published over 500 scientific papers and co-directed the Michigan Neuroscience Institute alongside her husband, Dr. Stanley Watson. Their collaborative research has focused on the intricate biology of emotions, a field that remains critical in addressing mental health challenges today. Dr. Akil's current research aims to uncover the genetic and developmental foundations of temperament and vulnerability to mental health disorders. She is also involved in projects that leverage advanced genomic tools to identify neural phenotypes associated with major depression and bipolar disorder. Mood and addictive disorders are a huge challenge in today's society, but we are making great progress in understanding their causes and devising new strategies for treating them, she said. The recognition of Dr. Akil's work through the Vanderbilt Prize not only honors her individual contributions but also underscores the broader need for continued investment in neuroscience research, especially as mental health issues become increasingly prevalent in society. As the field progresses, Dr. Akil's work will undoubtedly inspire future advancements in understanding and treating mental health disorders, paving the way for innovative solutions that could help millions. In recent months, the landscape surrounding mRNA vaccine technology has been rapidly evolving, highlighting both its promise and the challenges it faces. With the recent emergence of a novel mRNA vaccine aimed at combating avian influenza in cattle, researchers are showcasing the versatility of this technology while simultaneously navigating a complex regulatory and political environment that could impact its future development. A pioneering team of scientists has developed the first mRNA vaccine targeting bird flu specifically designed for cattle. Early results from trials with calves indicate a strong immune response to the H5N1 avian influenza virus, which has wreaked havoc on livestock and raised concerns about potential human outbreaks. It's good news, remarked virologist Richard Webby, director of the World Health Organization Collaborating Center for Studies on the Ecology of Influenza in Animals and Birds. The vaccine, which has not yet undergone peer review, has shown promising results by significantly reducing viral RNA levels in vaccinated calves exposed to the virus. The urgency for such innovations has escalated since the H5N1 outbreak was first confirmed in U.S. dairy cattle in March 2024, affecting over 1,000 herds and leading to 64 human infections, including one fatality. Scott Hensley, a co-author of the vaccine research and a virologist at the University of Pennsylvania, emphasized the adaptability of mRNA technology, stating, "It's so easy to switch," referring to the process of modifying mRNA vaccines to target different viral strains. However, this promising development is not without its hurdles. Political opposition to mRNA vaccines has been gaining traction, particularly among Republican lawmakers in states like South Carolina, Texas, and Montana, who have proposed legislation to ban such vaccines in livestock, citing potential risks to human health. This skepticism could deter funding and support for further mRNA vaccine research, creating a critical juncture for the technology's future in agriculture. Meanwhile, in the realm of human health, Moderna Incorporated has faced its own setbacks. The company recently withdrew its application for a combination COVID-19 and flu vaccine aimed at older adults, a decision that reflects increased regulatory scrutiny from the FDA. The agency's new guidelines, which necessitate additional trials for annual booster shots for healthy individuals under 65, have raised concerns among stakeholders about the viability of such vaccines. The withdrawal was not unexpected, as Moderna had previously indicated that approval was unlikely until 2026. The stock market responded to this news, with shares plunging nearly 8%, marking a 38% decline for the year. Despite these challenges, both the agricultural and pharmaceutical sectors are keenly aware of the importance of vaccines in preventing disease outbreaks. The U.S. Department of Agriculture is actively pursuing field trials for several livestock vaccines, underscoring a commitment to combating avian influenza and other zoonotic diseases. Webby noted, "I don't think that cattle vaccines on their own are sort of a silver bullet, but we have to do something different because what we're doing now is clearly not working." The growing body of research supporting mRNA vaccine technology, coupled with the urgent need for effective vaccination strategies in both livestock and humans, positions this field at a critical crossroads. As scientists continue to explore the potential of mRNA vaccines, attention will inevitably turn to the regulatory and political landscapes that could shape their future. The coming months may prove pivotal as stakeholders strive to balance innovation with safety, efficacy, and public acceptance in a rapidly changing world. In a groundbreaking study, researchers at the University of California, Los Angeles Health Sciences UCLA have uncovered a promising new application for widely used antidepressants, enhancing the immune system's ability to combat cancer. This innovative research, published in the prestigious journal Cell, reveals that selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors (SSRIs) not only elevate mood but may also play a crucial role in improving cancer treatment outcomes. The impetus for this research stems from the fact that 1 in 8 adults in the United States is prescribed antidepressants, primarily SSRIs such as Prozac, fluoxetine, and Celexa citalopram. While these medications are well known for their ability to increase serotonin levels, often dubbed the happy hormone, in the brain, their influence extends beyond mental health. Notably, serotonin is integral to various bodily functions, including digestion, metabolism, and immune response. The study's lead author, Dr. Lily Young, a prominent figure in UCLA's Eli and Edith Broad Center of Regenerative Medicine, noted, "These drugs have been widely and safely used to treat depression for decades, so repurposing them for cancer would be a lot easier than developing an entirely new therapy." This sentiment reflects a broader trend in medical research where existing medications are examined for new therapeutic roles, particularly in oncology. In their investigation, Young and her team found that SSRIs significantly enhanced the functionality of T cells, the immune system's warriors against cancer, leading to a reduction in tumor size by over 50% in various cancer models, including melanoma, breast, prostate, colon, and bladder cancers. SSRIs made the killer T cells happier in the otherwise oppressive tumor environment by increasing their access to serotonin signals, reinvigorating them to fight and kill cancer cells. Young explained. The researchers initially focused on monoamine oxidase MAOA, which breaks down serotonin and other neurotransmitters, inhibiting T cell efficacy against tumors. However, due to safety concerns associated with MAO inhibitors, the team shifted their attention to the serotonin transporter SERT, a molecule targeted by SSRIs which is implicated in regulating serotonin levels without the same adverse effects. The implications of these findings could be substantial, especially when considering the integration of SSRIs with existing cancer therapies. In preclinical models combining SSRIs with immune checkpoint blockade (ICB) therapies, strategies designed to enhance T-cell activity against tumors yielded promising results, showing complete remission in some mouse models. If a safe, widely available drug like an SSRI could make these therapies more effective, it would be hugely impactful, stated James Elson-Brown, a co-author of the study. The urgency of this research is underscored by the fact that only 15 to 25% of patients benefit from current ICB treatments, highlighting the need for innovative strategies to improve patient outcomes. As Dr. Yang pointed out, using existing FDA-approved drugs could speed up the process of bringing new cancer treatments to patients, making this research especially promising. The projected cost to repurpose these drugs is significantly lower than the average $1.5 billion required for developing new cancer therapies. Looking ahead, the UCLA team plans to conduct clinical trials to assess the impact of SSRIs on cancer patients, particularly those undergoing ICB therapies. With approximately 20% of cancer patients already on antidepressants, the potential to enhance their treatment outcomes represents a unique and timely opportunity in the fight against cancer. As research continues to evolve, the intersection of mental health and oncology may yield transformative therapies that not only address cancer but also improve the quality of life for patients navigating these challenges. In an era where the urgency to address global food security and sustainability has never been more pronounced, artificial intelligence (AI) emerges as a beacon of hope for the food industry. As we approach the daunting challenge of feeding nearly 10 billion people by 2050, the current food system, which is fraught with inefficiencies and environmental impacts, demands transformative changes. A recent article published in NPJ Science of Food by Ellen Cole explores the profound potential of AI to reshape our food systems and accelerate innovation in food development. The global food demand is projected to increase by 20% by mid-century, a statistic that underscores the need for immediate action to eradicate hunger and ensure equitable access to nutritious food. Traditional methods of food production and innovation are too slow to meet these demands, often leading to environmental degradation and inadequate nutritional solutions. The reliance on animal agriculture, which contributes significantly to greenhouse gas emissions, deforestation, and water usage, further complicates the situation. Cole emphasizes that AI can play a pivotal role in revolutionizing food science. By automating and optimizing food production processes, AI can improve the sustainability and efficiency of land and water use while also predicting and reducing food waste. Notably, AI is not merely a tool for data analysis. It can also drive structural changes within the food ecosystem by enabling the discovery of novel protein sources, optimizing product formulations for taste and texture, and predicting consumer preferences. However, the integration of AI into food science is not without its challenges. While AI can analyze vast amounts of data to expedite food product development, it still struggles with understanding the intricate social, ethical, and sensory dimensions of food that are deeply rooted in human culture. Cole cautions against viewing AI as a black box solution and stresses the importance of human expertise in guiding AI's applications in food innovation. The article outlines several areas where AI can significantly accelerate food development, including ingredient selection, formulation optimization, and texture engineering. By employing generative AI models, food scientists can create new formulations that replicate the sensory experiences of traditional animal products, thereby catering to the rising demand for plant-based alternatives. For instance, the Chilean company Notco uses AI to analyze the molecular structures of animal-based products, leading to innovative plant-based alternatives like not milk and not chicken, which successfully mimic the textures and flavors of their animal counterparts. Moreover, AI's capacity to streamline consumer testing and feedback processes can reduce the time and costs associated with traditional sensory evaluations. By predicting consumer preferences based on demographic data, AI can help companies tailor their products to meet the evolving tastes and dietary requirements of diverse populations. Looking ahead, the potential for AI in food science is vast, yet it is crucial to approach its implementation thoughtfully. Co-advocates for open-source collaboration and data sharing among researchers and industry stakeholders to maximize AI's impact on food innovation. As the food industry grapples with the dual challenges of sustainability and nutrition, leveraging AI may not just facilitate faster and cheaper food production but could also pave the way for a more resilient global food system. In conclusion, the marriage of AI and food science holds promise for addressing some of the most pressing challenges of our time. By fostering a collaborative environment that embraces AI's capabilities while maintaining the irreplaceable value of human insight, we can embark on a transformative journey towards a healthier, more sustainable food future. The success of this endeavor will hinge on our collective commitment to innovation and the responsible application of technology in shaping the food systems of tomorrow. In a significant advancement for fusion energy research, General Atomics has successfully delivered the final heating components for the United Kingdom's mega-ampere spherical tokamak mast upgrade project. This milestone, reached on May 20, 2025. Marks the culmination of a multi-year collaboration between General Atomics and the United Kingdom Atomic Energy Authority (UKEA) at the Culham campus. The components will aid in the implementation of a novel plasma heating technique known as electron-Bernstein wave (EBW) heating, which could play a pivotal role in future fusion reactors. Fusion energy, the same process that powers the sun, involves heating plasma to extreme temperatures, upwards of 100 million degrees Celsius. Achieving these temperatures on Earth has long been a challenge for researchers. The mast upgrade is designed to explore the efficiency of the EBW technique, which utilizes electromagnetic waves to energize charged particles within the plasma, potentially leading to more effective plasma heating methods for future fusion power plants. Wayne Solomon, Vice President of Magnetic Fusion Energy at General Atomics, expressed enthusiasm about the delivery, stating GA and UKEA have enjoyed a strong long-standing partnership, and we look forward to the opportunity to collaborate again in the future. He emphasized that this project showcases General Atomics' capabilities as a leading manufacturer of fusion technology components not only within the United States but globally. The corrugated waveguides delivered are critical for the efficient transfer of high-power radio frequency waves to the plasma within the tokamak. These precisely engineered components enable the plasma to reach the necessary conditions for fusion, where atomic nuclei can combine and release vast amounts of energy. The mast upgrade and evolution of the original mast machine, operational from 2000 to 2013, has been re-engineered for enhanced performance, featuring longer pulse durations, increased heating power, and a more robust magnetic field. Paul Stevenson, head of tokamak engineering systems at UKEA, highlighted the significance of the collaboration, stating the new EBW heating system will enable UKEA scientists and scientists from around the world to increase their plasma physics knowledge to support the commercialization of fusion energy. The drive toward this clean and almost limitless energy source represents a critical goal for researchers, particularly in light of the growing demand for sustainable energy solutions globally. In related developments, a groundbreaking experiment conducted by an international team led by the University of Rostock and Helmholtz Zentrum Dresden-Rossendorf has successfully captured the structure of liquid carbon for the first time. This achievement, reported on May 22, 2025, utilized high-power laser technology combined with ultrashort X-ray laser pulses at the European XFEL facility to analyze carbon under extreme conditions. Liquid carbon, which is theorized to exist deep within planetary interiors, plays a vital role in nuclear fusion technologies, making this discovery particularly relevant for future advancements in the field. The researchers employed laser compression to liquefy solid carbon briefly, allowing them to take real-time measurements of its atomic structure. Their findings confirmed that liquid carbon exhibits a water-like structure akin to diamond and refined the known melting point of carbon, a crucial parameter for both planetary science and fusion energy modeling. Dr. Ulf Sestrau, a leader in the high-energy density group, underscored the potential of the new measurement techniques, stating, "We now have the toolbox to characterize matter under highly exotic conditions in incredible detail." This pioneering work not only enhances our understanding of carbon but also sets the stage for future explorations into the properties of matter under extreme conditions. These advancements in fusion energy research reflect a growing momentum in the pursuit of sustainable and clean energy solutions. As technologies evolve and collaborations continue, the dream of harnessing fusion energy may soon transition from theoretical exploration to practical application, offering a glimpse into a future powered by an almost limitless energy source. The ongoing research and development in both plasma heating techniques and the understanding of liquid carbon continue to pave the way for a new era of energy generation in materials science. In a groundbreaking development with far-reaching implications for the future of electronics and quantum computing, researchers at Rutgers University have recently unveiled a novel class of materials known as intercrystals. This discovery is not only poised to enhance the efficiency of electronic components but also offers a sustainable pathway for future technology innovations. The findings published in the journal Nature Materials underscore the potential of intercrystals to revolutionize various applications ranging from transistors to quantum computing. Intercrystals are formed by stacking two ultra-thin layers of graphene, each only a single atom thick, and twisting them over a layer of hexagonal boron nitride. This slight misalignment generates more patterns, unique configurations that significantly alter electron movement within the material. As Professor Eva Andre, the lead author of the study, explains, our discovery opens a new path for material design. Intercrystals give us a new handle to control electronic behavior using geometry alone without having to change the material's chemical composition. The unique electronic properties of intercrystals stem from the ability to manipulate their structure at the atomic level. This geometric control enables researchers to design circuits where every function, switching, sensing, and signal propagation can be fine-tuned. Co-author Jedediah Pixley envisions a future where entire electronic circuits are engineered based solely on geometric adjustments, making the design process simpler and more efficient. The advent of intercrystals is particularly timely as the demand for sustainable and environmentally friendly materials grows. Unlike many conventional materials that rely on rare earth elements, intercrystals can be made from abundant non-toxic elements such as carbon, boron, and nitrogen. This not only reduces the environmental impact of their production but also enhances their scalability for commercial applications. Intriguingly, the unique properties of intercrystals may also lead to phenomena like superconductivity and magnetism, which are typically absent in regular crystals. These properties could pave the way for groundbreaking advancements in quantum technologies where efficient electrical conductivity is paramount. The research team notes that intercrystals could contribute to low-loss electronics and atomic sensors essential for the development of next-generation quantum computers. As the field of twistronics, where materials are contorted at specific angles to create more patterns, gains traction, the implications of intercrystals could extend beyond mere academic curiosity. They represent a significant leap in material science, challenging existing paradigms about atomic order and opening new avenues for exploration. The discovery of intercrystals is not just a noteworthy scientific achievement, it signifies a shift in how materials can be designed and utilized in technology. As researchers continue to explore and manipulate the properties of these materials, the potential for innovative applications in electronics, quantum computing, and beyond becomes increasingly promising. Looking ahead, the research community is optimistic about the future of intercrystals. With ongoing investigations into their structural and electronic characteristics, the next few years may see these materials transition from the laboratory to practical applications, potentially transforming various technological landscapes. As these developments unfold, the impact of intercrystals on science and technology could prove to be profound, heralding a new era of electronic design and functionality.